If weekly planning is the map, your daily to-do list is the GPS arrow that keeps you moving toward your goals. But let's be honest, manual to-do lists often don't make it past lunchtime. New tasks pop up, priorities shift, and important reminders vanish in the chaos. In this lesson, we'll build a smarter way by turning ChatGPT, Notion, and a simple Zapier flow into a self-updating task engine. You'll be able to capture ideas instantly, tag them automatically, and get nudged at just the right time. This system turns your mornings into launchpads and your evenings into smart, effortless reflection. Let's start with what's broken about traditional lists. Static to-do lists go stale fast. You jot something down in the morning, but by midday it's irrelevant. Without automation, critical reminders fall through the cracks. And if you're constantly switching tabs and rewriting tasks, you're burning time just managing your list rather than completing the actual work. Here's where we flip the script. Step 1. Friction-free capture. The goal is zero brain drag. If capturing a task takes too long, you won't do it, and that task may disappear from your mental radar. Instead, we use 3 fast capture methods. Voice notes, record a quick memo on your phone. Zapier can use Whisper to transcribe it and push it straight into your Notion inbox. Email to task. Forward any email to a custom Zapier address and boom, it shows up as a task in Notion. Slash commands in Slack. Type /to-do and the same flow is triggered without ever leaving your current conversation. This is like tossing receipts into a digital shoebox, except AI is sorting them for you in real time. Now, what makes this powerful is not just capturing the task, but what happens next, automatic tagging. With natural language parsing, the AI can read your unstructured text, something like book flights for client visit on October 12th, and extract the project tag, client A, the effort, low, the deadline, October 12th, the priority level, 2. It's not magic. It's just smart design. You'll use OpenAI inside a Zapier flow to break down these details and send them into the appropriate Notion columns. So every task lands pre-classified, no extra clicks, no post-capture cleanup. This sets the stage for deep focus and clarity. With capture and tagging done, let's move on to how your system supports actual daily execution, reminders and time blocking. Inside the Smart Planner Notion template, every task entry includes a formula-based reminder. It automatically sets a notification 24 hours before the deadline, keeping you ahead of schedule without even thinking about it. You also get a calendar view. This shows only today's high-priority tasks, keeping your plate focused and realistic. Want to take it further? Add time blocking into your workflow. You can use Notion AI or connect a third-party tool to insert tasks directly into your Google Calendar. This turns your to-do list into scheduled work, eliminating that vague sense of, "I'll do it sometime today." You can even define your deep work window, say 9 to 11 a.m., so that time-blocked tasks land when you're most focused. This is where productivity moves from theory to practice. Now, what about tasks you didn't get to? We're not aiming for perfection, just smart continuity. The final piece of this workflow is review and roll over. At 6 p.m., your Notion system checks, was the task marked as done? If not, and its priority is 1 or 2, the due date is quietly shifted to the next working day. No alerts, no fuss, it just happens. But if the task has a priority of 3, meaning it's urgent, a Slack DM is triggered with a gentle nudge. Still pending? Schedule it. It's like having a robo-assistant that quietly handles your leftovers and gently pressures you when it matters most. Together, this gives you a task system that captures instantly, classifies smartly, reminds proactively, and maintains itself daily. The result? Less juggling, more doing. So which part of this automation workflow are you most excited to try first? Voice capture, tagging, or rollover? Try setting up just one of these flows today. You'll be amazed at how quickly your task list goes from reactive to responsive. See you in the next lesson, where we'll zoom out again and explore how to automate recurring work so you don't even have to add it to your list in the first place.